Okay, let's take a look at question number 6 on page 134. Factor fully. Okay, so for p of t equals t cubed plus t squared minus 22t minus 40, the positive integral zeros of the polynomial factors of the constant term negative 40 has factors of positive negative 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 8, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 20, and plus or minus 40. So we're going to test these values to find the first factor. You could also graph this and find your x-intercepts. And if it's a whole number x-intercept, it'll also be a factor. So to find the first factor, we find p of negative 2 is 0. So we need to use synthetic division to find the other factors. So we have plus 2, 1, 1, negative 22, negative 40. And we're subtracting. Bring down the 1. 1 by 2 is 2. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Negative 22 plus 2 is negative 20, and negative 20 times 2 is negative 40. And that gives us a remainder of 0. Okay, so the remaining factor, so what we essentially have is t squared minus t minus 20 can be factored as t plus 4 t minus 5. Therefore, p of t equals t plus 2 by t plus 4 by t minus 5. Okay, h squared minus 27h plus 10. Okay, so possible integral zeros of the polynomial are the factors of 10. So we have plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, and plus or minus 10. So if we test these values, the first factor we find that has a remainder of 0 is 5. So we have to use synthetic division to find the other factors. We have minus 5, 1, 0, there's no h squared, minus 27, and 10. Okay, so we're subtracting. Bring down the 1. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Negative 27 plus 25 is negative 2. And negative 2 times 5 is positive 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So if we take a look here, we have the remaining factor of h squared plus 5h minus 2 cannot be factored. So p of h equals h minus 5 by h squared plus 5h minus 2.